Hello, hello. Hope all is well. Today we are back with a more educational video. For those of you that know, for those of you that don't know, my name is Vlad. I am part of a financial education platform called iGENIUS. And what iGENIUS does is they do a lot of things, but essentially do three things. They help people make, manage, and save more money with access to leading edge education and technology. So I'm going to show you guys today how to input a crypto trade alert from one of our various experts, one of our various channels in cryptocurrency. This channel in particular, this is one of my favorites. This is the Crypto Core Crypto Alerts channel. This is a typical trade alert issued for iGenius customers by our experts. This is how it looks. The trader will issue the currency pair being traded. In this case, we're trading MAP USDT. The trader will also give us parameters on entering the trade with a market entry, which is buying it right now, and then two buy limits, which I'll get into a little later. Then the trader will also tell us when to exit the trade, at what position to take profit at. With that being said, the trader will also indicate which exchange we can actually place this trade on. As you guys know, cryptocurrency is available. Different coins are available on various platforms such as Kucoin, Binance, Coinbase, Bitfinex, Bittrex. There's hundreds and hundreds of crypto exchanges that our traders use and issue alerts with. So with that being said, guys, let's go over to Kucoin and I'm going to show you guys how to actually input this alert. So first things first, guys, you got to actually create a Kucoin account and fund a Kucoin account. How to create a Kucoin account, I'll actually post the link in the description of this video. You can actually access Kucoin and create a free account. And by funding Kucoin, guys, there's multiple ways to fund Kucoin. All right, it's very similar to if you've ever funded a Binance account before, a Coinbase, Gemini. You can buy crypto. All right, you can do P2P, you can do a third party through your bank. What I do is I actually deposit Bitcoin from an app called ShakePay. For those of you guys in Canada, you know ShakePay does the trick very, very well. I'm not going to get into how to actually fund KuCoin. There's a lot of YouTube videos that show you how to fund these crypto exchanges. And I know in the US, you can use something like Cash App. In the UK, there's different platforms as well. So I won't get too much into that, but I'm going to stick with the main topic, which is inputting a trade alert. So with that being said, guys, when you do fund the account, you got to make sure that your funds are in the trading account. So there's a main account that you can deposit and withdraw to. All right. And then you transfer that into the trading account. When you actually deposit funds into KuCoin, it will typically go into your main account. And what you have to do from there, if you want to end up spot trading and using these crypto alerts, you will have to transfer, click here, transfer, and you can transfer your assets to, it'll ask you if you want to transfer them to your other accounts, and you'll select the trading accounts that you want to transfer your funds to. With that being said, I've already done so, guys. It's a pretty straightforward process. Once I've had my funds added and allocated to my trading account, I have USDT or Bitcoin. Like I said, guys, I fund my account with Bitcoin. In order to convert my Bitcoin to my currency that I need to trade with, which is USDT, as you guys see here, this trade alert was issued MAP USDT. So I need USDT to buy MAP, which means I will need USDT readily available in my trading accounts. How to do that? If you fund your account with Bitcoin, guys, for example, you'll have to click on your Bitcoin, you'll have to click on trade, and then you'll have to basically sell Bitcoin into USDT. So you'll select basically Bitcoin, USDT as your pair for trading, and then you'll sell that as well. There's a ton of YouTube video guys as well, how to convert Bitcoin to USDT, how to convert USDT to Bitcoin on YouTube as well. I won't get too much into that. Like I said, let's stay on topic and focus on this trade alert. So with that being said, guys, let's go over to our spot trading to input this alert right here. And before I continue on, this is the website version of KuCoin, guys. I typically do my trading on the mobile version of KuCoin. It's I guess it's a little easier. The website version is just the full, more comprehensive version of KuCoin, and it's easier for me to do this video here. So with that being said, let's look at our trade parameters one more time. We have here the pair MAP USDT. Let me go search up MAP USDT over here in their search bar. the top left, MAP USDT, here it is. All right, that's my chart for MAP USDT. All right, looks like we've had a minor correction on MAP USDT. Looks like a good time to buy. Looks like that's why our trader issued this trade alerts. Looks like we're on an uptrend overall. Created a local, you can say a higher low on this chart right here, this trading chart for MAP USDT on the 8-hour chart. So with that being said, let's go over to these next parameters. Let me explain what these really mean, guys. So we have here an entry, which is a buy limit. If you want to place a limit entry, this is how I'll explain what a limit entry is. So a buy limit, let's say, for example, you're walking into a store, right? You go into Foot Locker, Champs, you want to buy a pair of sneakers, but you don't want to buy the sneakers at the current price. Let's say, a pair of Yeezys, a pair of Jordans, they're $200, right? You want to wait for those shoes to go on sale. You're basically going to be placing a buy limit order on those pair of shoes. Let's say you want to buy the shoes for 150, you're gonna have to wait for them to go on sale. So you're gonna basically tell, the cashier, whatever, your friend that works there, whoever, you have 150 bucks ready to go for when those shoes go on sale, drop from 200 to 150, you're buying those shoes. All right. So that's a buy limit order. All right. We have one buy limit here, which is the entry that the trader takes typically. The expert that issued this alert takes this buy limit order typically. An even safer entry at 1 cent, 1.25 cents USD per coin of MAP is an even lower entry point. So if you're, a less risky, a more conservative trader, you would want to take a lower price entry. So you're going to be placing a buy limit like this, and you're basically going to say, let's see, price here, 0.0125. Now, what's the amount? Well, we see here recommend position, 1/2 of position or one entire position only if portfolio is sufficiently balanced in USD. All right, what does that mean, guys? Well, this is what I say. Choose a position size. Each trader is different. Choose a position size you are comfortable with. Choose a position size that you are comfortable investing. Choose a position size that you are willing to essentially allocate to a certain asset, a crypto, that you're willing not to touch for several months. Could be several months, could be a year, but essentially you're investing into a coin. All right. You're buying into an asset and you're leaving that money to invest and compound over time. You don't need that money for bills the next day, the next week. You're putting that away. So I say, if it's 50 bucks, one entire position for you, that's okay. If it's 100 bucks, one entire position, that's what it is for me. It could be 25. I wouldn't really suggest anything less than $25 for a position size, guys. But in any sense, my position size is 100 US dollars. All right. 1/2 of my position is 50 bucks. This is basically saying if you want to do 1/2 position or one position, entire position, if your portfolio is sufficiently balanced in USD. That is if, guys, you have, I would say, more than half of your portfolio is in US dollars, then you would do an entire position. If you have under half of your entire portfolio is in US dollars right now, in USDT, then you would want to place half of a position. So for me, guys, that's 50 bucks, half of $100, 50 bucks, pretty easy there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have to allocate here 50 bucks on MAP. Let's see how much MAP, trial and error. It says right here you see right here how much USDT is. 2,000 coins of MAP, it's 25. That means I got to double up. 4,000, that's 50. And then I'd place a buy. So when I place this buy, guys, you'll see right here my open orders. I have MAP USDT. It's an open order. It hasn't fulfilled yet. That means I haven't actually bought any MAP. I just placed a pending order, a future order to purchase MAP at the price of 1 cent, 0.0125 USDT. And right now MAP is currently at 0.038. So like I said, this is for the more conservative trader, guys, the less risky trader. Sometimes it's not in your best interest to place a limit order because these trades might not actually execute. You might actually not have even buying MAP because from this point, right, 3 cents, MAP can literally just shoot up and never actually hit your 1 cent, 0.0125 USDT, which is right down here. Okay, this chart might not get there. So if it doesn't get there, your trade won't actually execute and you won't get into that trade. So like I said, this is for the less risky, more conservative trader. I am not that. I am more risky and I don't want to miss opportunities, especially in this bull market with all this money on the table. I'm going to cancel my limit order. All right, that was just for an example showing you guys. And I'm going to place a market buy, which means I'm going to buy MAP at the current market price, which is right now about 3 cents, 3.8 cents. So let's place right here. I want to put in $50 of USDT to allocate to purchase MAP. Let's see how many right there. Let's buy it. There you go. Ding, ding. Just bought some MAP, $50 USDT worth of MAP. And now we can check right here. Actually, we don't have to check anything. I know that I bought the MAP and I can right now place my sell limit, my take profit levels that are given to me by the trader right here. So let's see here, guys. Let's go over to limits. Let's go over to, let's see the parameters here. We have the first target level is 0.0778. All right. And the amount that I'm selling is 50% of my position. And then I'm going to go ahead and sell the MAP. Before I sell the MAP, I'm going to explain why I chose limit for this. So market means I'm buying or selling at the current market price. Limit, guys, like I said, you can choose whether you want to, place a limit, which is a future pending order. It's not going to instantaneously execute for you. I'm going to place a limit to sell MAP, not at the current price, but at a higher price, right? You want to sell high, you want to buy low. If you're placing a buy limit, you want to buy under the current market price. You're placing a sell limit, you want to sell above the market price, right? So I'm going to place this and sell half of my MAP holdings at basically 0.0778. That's, way up here past the chart. That's basically doubling my money. All right. And what I like about this is once I sell half of my MAP, when I doubled my money, essentially I'll sell half. I'm basically making back my initial investment, putting it back in my pocket, and I'm playing with the house money. That's what we call it. You double your money, sell half, you let the rest go, you let the rest play, and you ride it out with the house money. All right. Really, really good way to go about it, guys. You can never go broke taking profits, and that's what I recommend doing. So from that point on, guys, we're going to go the next target level, which is 15 cents, 0.1556. And then we're going to go another 50% of MAP, and we're going to place another sell. All right, we've successfully placed the order. You can see here in your open orders, guys, 2 orders I've placed of MAP, sell limit orders. Let's place the third one now at 0.3112, another 50% right here. And then let's go last one, 0.6224. All right. And this one is the rest of the MAP that I have. It is 100% of it. All right. And that will make me $102. So essentially, guys, once this trade hits its final target, I will have made hundreds and hundreds of dollars from this single trade alerts with, an initial investment of $50, which is pretty cool. And like I said, there's no guarantees that this trade is going to hit its profit levels. Past performance never guarantees future gains, but I can guarantee you that this trader, this crypto channel has done some magnificent things, has made, the team a lot of money in the past. And I definitely recommend leveraging this expert, because making your money make money, guys, is really the key to wealth. All wealthy people, have some sort of leverage, created some sort of leverage in their life, whether it be leveraging people or leveraging their money. They do this to be able to, stop trading hours for dollars, but rather trade dollars for dollars, because you only have so many hours in your day. With that being said, guys, let us place our final sell limit order for MAP. And as you can see here, we have 4 orders, sell limit orders created for MAP. All right, selling at take profit 1, at take profit 2, at take profit 3, and then the final target. take profit for. So that is all for today. I do want to clarify, guys, iGENIUS is not a registered broker or dealer. They are a publisher of financial education, and they are a great resource for somebody that's new that wants to get into crypto, for somebody that's been into crypto but wants some, clear cut direction or guidance rather on, what to buy, what to sell, when to buy, when to sell. This is a great tool, great product, great platform to do so. So that being said, guys, hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you on the next one.